Hey folks, how you doing? Hopefully you're all having a great day today. We can all agree that 2020 has been a crazy, crazy year, and one of the side effects of this crazy, crazy year is it seems like a lot of stuff is favoring large corporations and favoring massive businesses. So we've seen a tremendous amount of growth from the businesses who are already on the top in a very short period of time, that time being 2020. And what I want to do with this video is highlight the opposite end of the spectrum. All these small businesses who have really been hurting this year, if they're still even open, and the individual creator, the craftsman who makes things to sell. I want to highlight those people in this particular video and then also on my website. So here's what I want you to do. If you are a small business who makes things to sell, if you are a craftsman who makes things to sell, it makes things that would be great for holiday gifts this time of the year. It is the holiday season. It is the shopping season. I want you to do two things. Number one, I want you to leave a comment in the description of what you sell and where they can buy your goods, right? You have to have some type of link to post where people can buy your stuff. Also, this is going to go on my website. So not everybody watches my content on YouTube. A lot of people just go to my website. So I want you to send me an email. And I want you to be very specific with this email because I'm going to use an email forwarding system, email filter, I should say. I'm going to use an email filter to put all these in one location. I want you to send me an email with the subject heading. I'll put the subject on the screen. Make sure it's that subject so I can use a filter to get all these in one spot. I want you to leave one sentence of what you sell and a link to where they can purchase what you sell. I'll have a list of everything compiled on my website to where if anybody out there who has income to purchase gifts this holiday season and wants to support the small businesses out there, wants to support the individual creators, the craftsmen out there, then you can check out this page. You can look through what each individual person sells. And if you're interested in a handmade board game, you can find this person right there on the list, click on them and see what they have to offer and hopefully make a purchase. But anyway, that's it for this video. You guys take care. Have a great day. And enjoy the holiday season the best you can. Talk to you later.